Quick Connect fittings are a game changer when it comes to pressure washing. They let you attach and detach hoses, guns, and accessories in seconds. No more fiddling with threaded fittings. The Active Quick Connect kit includes 3 pairs of Quick Connect fittings, giving you everything you need to upgrade your pressure washer setup. In this video, we'll show you how to install these fittings with the standard hose that comes with active pressure washers, as well as our premium 50-foot hose. Let's get started. Active pressure washers have a 3/4 inch pump inlet. To set this up, attach the threaded 3/4 inch male Quick Connect fitting to the pump inlet and the threaded 3/4 inch female Quick Connect fitting to the end of your garden hose. Once that's done, simply click the Quick Connects together. Active pressure washers feature a male M2214 threaded pump outlet. If you're using the included active hose, attach the female threaded to 3/8 inch male Quick Connect fitting, included in the kit, to the pump outlet. If you're using the premium 50-foot hose, use the female to female Quick Connect adapter that comes with the hose, then click the Quick Connects into place. The standard hose that comes with active pressure washers features 2 female M2214 threaded fittings. You can connect male 3/8 inch Quick Connect adapters to both ends. Finally, it's time to connect your spray gun. If you're using the active swivel gun or another Quick Connect gun, you're good to go. Just hook it up to your hose and start washing. If you're using the metal gun included with most active units, you'll need to attach a female 3/8 inch Quick Connect fitting to the gun's threaded M2214 inlet before connecting it to the hose. With your Quick Connect setup complete, you're ready to power through your cleaning projects. Takedown and storage are now quicker and easier than ever. If you have any questions, reach out to customer support at support@activeproducts.com.